Hi, Chris. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for Garcia Electric. Now, I did do a quick search on Google for your business. I did Garcia Electric, College Station, among many others. And really, the only things that popped up are going to be your Manta, which is just the business listings, and then your Home Advisor. So it does look like your Google My Business does show you as permanently closed. So I wasn't able to locate an actual business website for you. So did want to send you a quick video to show you what your competition is doing and how developing a digital marketing presence can have as far as benefits go for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever images are saved as. Now, because we don't have an actual business site for you, what I'll do is I'll do a quick search for electrician, College Station. And we'll go here to Bryceco. So as you can see, on a home page, this is going to be the home front page. You'll have all this different text in here. These are all clickable. This about section, this is all content, pictures, everything. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like what I just searched, Electrician College Station, Electrician College Station, Texas, and those do yield different results because it all depends on what people are searching for. And so those are the kind of keywords that you're going to be looking for so that whenever people do search it, your website is the one that pops up first. This is where a customized business website would really shine. You can include things like customer testimonials, these awards that you can see here on Britt Rice, links to social media pages, and then definitely you would want to include pictures of previous projects. Now, one of the reasons I brought up Britt Rice is because they do have a very strong online presence. While not unbeatable, the next thing I want to go over with you is what makes them so strong. It's called backlinks. And so the thing with Google is that it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So a backlink from a website that's related to your industry, for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, something relevant to you. You're going to get a lot more influence and power from that as opposed to a backlink from your local Domino's Pizza that has nothing to do with you. Unless, of course, if you did some work for them, then it might be relevant. But now we do have a tool that we can use to measure and analyze the backlinks and their quality of various companies. So I went ahead and did your competitor, Britt Rice, and as you can see, they have 741 backlinks from 59 referring domains. That just means 59 different websites refer back to Britt Rice 741 times. And as you can see, this organic traffic number, this is the number of visitors that they get to their website in a given month. That's on a per month basis. So even if you're able to convert a couple or three of these 165, depending on the size of your your average workload or your average work ticket, that could be very, very beneficial to you. So the last thing I wanted to go over with you is something called citations. Now, citations are very important because when someone goes to Google and searches for a service that they're looking for, this is very typical of what you're going to see. You're going to have your paid ads up here that don't generally drive a lot of business, but people sometimes do click on them. And then you have this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack. And what makes it so special is it takes up, as you can see, a lot of space on the front page of Google. And it also has this handy little map here. And so people that are familiar with, College Station, they'll be able to see, okay, well, I'm over in this area and they're literally right by me. So that just builds that trust factor. And then on top of that, if you end up in this top section here, in these top three, then they automatically associate that with you being the best or you being the most reputable, whatever the case is. And that's actually not always true. The only reason that these are listed up here is because of something called citations. And all that is the name, address, and phone number of your business listed across those different directories online. So Manta is one of them. You have Home Advisor, House, Porch, White Pages, Yellow Pages. There are hundreds of them out there. And all you have to do is put your name out there on those directories. Make sure that they're identical across, because that's how Google reads it. And the more of those that you have, the higher you'll rank. Typically, a strategy that we suggest for both backlinks and citations is to go in, use these different tools like Ahrefs, among others, to replicate the backlinks that they're getting from the different sources, and then add a buffer of 20 to 30%. And typically by that point, once you have the 20 to 30%, you're already outpacing your competition. You shoot up to the top, and then as long as you keep on adding backlinks along the way, then you'll continue to be at the top and acquire all that additional volume and customer base. So that was a lot of information, and so if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it further, you are more than welcome to give Megan a call back. Her number is listed in the email that was sent out to you with this link, and thank you so much again for watching.